today's video. You're gonna see us swinging the tanks out of the boat using our jib crane, which worked out perfect. Also, we got our hose in. I found a deal on this. I was a little nervous about ordering it, but it looks like it's going to be a great deal. So glad we got that and got it for a third of what I thought I was going to have to pay. Tanks are out, and so I'm going to start looking at the bottom and assessing it and see what we can do there. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Well, there we go. Both tanks are out. As you can see, the fuel tanks are out. That was going to be like a 1 or 2 day project I had planned, but as you know, if you've watched the videos, it has taken a week, maybe a week and a half to get them out. I'm so glad I went this route. The tanks are in pretty good shape physically, but if they hadn't came out when they did, there's some spots where the paint's peeling. The bottom of them looks pretty good. One of them has a little spot on the bottom I'm probably going to have to sand and fix, but I'm probably going to sand them anyhow and repaint them and fill them up. So there they are. Alright guys, I got this book from West Marine Systems. I don't know if you can see that or not, but West Marine Systems. I was watching another channel, YouTube channel I watch that I like, Sail Life. The guy is doing an awesome job rebuilding a sailboat, and he showed this the other day, so I downloaded this and printed it out, and it's been some good reading. I've learned a lot, so this is going to be my reference guide, but thanks to Sail Life for putting me onto this. And there's our cat. We're getting a cat scan. We're getting a cat scan of our tanks right now. He's going to inspect our tanks to make sure they're up to his standards. Thank you, Mr. Kitty Cat, for the cat scan. This is my filler hose that I ordered. Checked around locally and online. The cheapest I could find it was $200 to $250 for a piece this length. I found this on eBay. I was a little nervous about ordering it, I got it for $80. Looks like it's been laying around somewhere for a while, but that's fine. It's in good shape. It's Coast Guard approved. So this was another part of the project I'm glad I did, was replacing these hoses. These are very critical so you don't get a fuel leak in your boat. The ones that were on there had been in there for 30 years, so these should last a while. So it's going to be fun putting these back in. All right, I got help today. What's up, Two Hooks?
What's up?
Enjoy this moment. This is like seeing the Abominable Snowman or a Yeti or something. Seeing him helping. He helped me rebuild one boat. We did it from top to bottom. And that did him in. I think that was the worst summer of his life.
Of course it lasted.
The whole summer.
Yeah, wait before school started.
But what did you learn?
You want me to tell you what I learned?
If Dad's rebuilding a boat, disappear?
Yeah.
Good job, Bear. Good job.
Oh.
Yeah, I tricked him to come over and cut my grass. He has a lawn care business. So he's supposed to be cutting my grass, but I made him feel guilty and come sweep the bottom of the boat out and help me for a minute. So what do you think? You love it? Oh, well, that's a good son. He knows what to say. Probably like to replace this floor too. As you can see in spot, it's rotten. So it was just a matter of time before. Oh, it needs to be replaced. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah, so that's rotten. So all that's gonna come up. Fun, fun, fun. It's hot.
Well, how's it going so far?
It's sort of overwhelming. Didn't think this was gonna be that big of a deal, but this has turned into a major deal. And it's, of course, you know, I picked the hottest time of the year to do it. Middle of July. The heat index the other day was 115. Today it feels like it's that hot or hotter already. So, but a little bit of time. A little bit at a time.